Hello wood model fans, this is SG DeVries, and welcome to my wood model workshop. I have been hard at work on my second edition of my mining truck book lately, in both an imperial and a metric units edition, and I've come across the need for a Moxon vise. Although I obviously have room for tons more stuff in my shop, I decided I wanted to build a smaller vise just for model building. I will be using the small Moxon vise hardware kit from Taylor Toolworks. They are not a sponsor of this video. I've never talked to them. I paid for this with my own money. They just had the hardware I needed at a price that I thought was reasonable. The kit comes with 2 of these steel bushings for the threaded rods. Now, the way I want to build it, I actually need 4. You can get the extra ones from their website, but I had some extra shorter ones of the same diameter from another project, and I'm just going to use those. A local elementary school is going to get rid of these solid maple stacking blocks. I don't know if they were too chipped or too damaged to keep using, but hey, that's perfectly good wood for me to use, so I snagged them. I'm going to use 2 of the larger blocks as the jaws, which I sanded down smooth on all the sides. And since I've forgotten how to use an eraser, I decided this time to make a hole template rather than drawing on the parts themselves. Since I love drilling holes so much, I'll drill way more holes than most people will think I need. The first block is then used as a template for the second one, just to make sure everything aligns. Since I didn't bother to look up the correct way of attaching a horizontal clamping board on the back of this vise, I'm going to cut this notch in the rear jaw and pretend that I know what I'm doing. The kit comes with 2 3D printed plastic brackets to hold the rear nuts in place. Now personally, I like this idea much better than trying to carve an indentation into the rear jaw to hold those. Back to me pretending I know what I'm doing. I'm cutting the horizontal clamping board, which is going to get glued to the rear jaw. This glue joint is strong enough for all the forces that'll be put on this vise, but hey, why leave it up to just glue if you can drill more holes and glue in dowel pins? If you've ever built any of my models, you know I kind of have this sickness of over-engineering everything. So, you know what? I'm just going to feed that addiction and add these wedges to the back. Just between you and me, I added those wedges just as an excuse to drill more holes. Since I'm too cheap to pay royalties to anyone, you'll just have to imagine the awesome music during this montage. Back to pretending that I planned for this all along, I built these hardwood rings to go around the bushings that extended past the front face of the front jaw. Ha! You thought I drilled all those small holes just for fun. Hope you enjoyed the build. I'll leave some links in the video description for the parts that I used. Thanks for watching.